Hello, lovely viewers. Welcome back to FitWell Hub. I'm Reza, and today we're diving into the world of delicious plant-based goodness. That's right, it's all about vegan delights, and I've got some easy and tasty recipes to share with you. Whether you're a seasoned vegan or just looking to incorporate more plant-based meals into your diet, you're in for a treat. These recipes are not only nutritious but also bursting with flavors that will satisfy your taste buds. So, let's get started. Segment 1, Creamy Avocado and Chickpea Salad. First up on our vegan journey is a creamy avocado and chickpea salad. It's the perfect blend of protein, healthy fats, and freshness. I'll show you how easy it is to whip up this delicious and satisfying salad in no time. Trust me, this dish is a crowd pleaser, even for those who may not be fully on the vegan train yet. Segment 2, Quinoa Stuffed Bell Peppers. Next on the menu, we have quinoa stuffed bell peppers. Packed with protein and nutrients, these colorful delights are not only visually appealing but also incredibly tasty. The quinoa adds a nice texture, and you can customize the stuffing with your favorite veggies. Get ready for a burst of flavors that will make these stuffed peppers a regular in your plant-based repertoire. Segment 3, Vegan Chocolate Avocado Mousse. Now, who said vegan desserts couldn't be decadent? For our sweet ending, we're making vegan chocolate avocado mousse. This silky and rich dessert is not only indulgent but also surprisingly healthy. Avocado is the secret ingredient that adds that creamy texture without any dairy. Prepare your taste buds for a guilt-free chocolate experience. And there you have it, a trio of vegan delights that are not only easy to make but will also satisfy your cravings for both savory and sweet. If you enjoyed these recipes, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more plant-based inspiration. Let me know in the comments which recipe you're excited to try or share your favorite vegan recipes with the community. Until next time, happy cooking and stay plant-powered.